Hello guys. You might have gotten a RAR file somewhere which is password protected, or a files that you created a while ago but now you don't have the password, you don't remember it. No need to worry, we have got it covered with the help of RAR recovery tool. I am showing you a complete demonstration in this video guide. The tool is now called PassFab. It used to be PassFab. iPhone, a technology company, owns the PassFab brand as a subsidiary. When a user forgets a password, PassFab has been able to assist them defeat password security and retrieve their passwords thanks to the strong technical team of iPhone. To quickly and easily decrypt any RAR WinRAR archive, use PassFab for RAR. PassFab for RAR may be used by following the instructions outlined below. The first step is to on the RAR password recovery screen, click the Add button. Find the RAR file you want to recover the password for and open it. Then after you've chosen the file to be recovered, you'll need to pick a recovery mode. Here's a quick rundown on the 4 different assault options you have at your disposal. Dictionary attack. This mode tries every string in the built-in or custom dictionary to recover RAR passwords that have been lost or forgotten. This approach is often used because to the large number of common passwords it includes. These attacks are incredibly effective and recover quite quickly because of the vast database they use. Using this strategy, you may specify the combination of characters that the software should use to crack your password. This is a good option if you're having trouble remembering your password's individual components. Using your first and last name and a few random digits, you can construct a password that is 6-8 characters long every time. Length of password, 6 to 8 characters. This letter is R in uppercase. Lowercase letters, O, S, E. Select all from the list of numbers. Your characters may be combined in any number of ways by the computer. Your password will be easier to remember if you use fewer characters. Using the password hint you somewhat recall, the mask attack mode attempts to guess your password. This approach requires you to remember a certain character type that is not part of your password. For example, you are certain that your password does not include any symbols. In addition, you often use 6-8 character passwords that include your name. If you can't remember the password, brute force attack is your best option. Here, the software will attempt every conceivable combination in an attempt to decipher the password. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.